Hiya beautiful people, how are you today? I'm good, I'm excellent. Meet me again in my food channel, FoodComa by Miss Rose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to make banana apple fritter cake. All those ingredients later on, it will be written in my description, so don't fuss about it. Everything will be there. So if you like the video, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you very much. So let's learn together. Halo Salju, you wake up. John is sleeping. He doesn't work today. And you? What you doing, meowing? Good boy. Lazy. Lazy. First of all, we're gonna peel the apple. Use the food processor, it's a lot easier, you know. So this one is like this. So make sure there is no lump in this puree of banana. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we gonna mix this cinnamon in here, and this is cardamom. Where's the camera? Here. Oh my God, it's so difficult. Let's put it in here and mix it together. This is brown sugar, right? Then we put it aside. Right, everyone, now we're gonna make the cake first. So what we're gonna do, we just put sugar in here. And then put butter. The color kind of pale. I don't know, about 5 minutes. In really high speed. It's not really see here. I'll take it out. Here. Right, the color is kind of pale, so it's not really like yellowish like before. So what you're gonna do in this stage, then you can put vanilla. And eggs. You just put it one by one. The thing is, you don't put egg directly in here because you never know that the egg is already rotten. But I buying always fresh egg, but you never know. So what you do is you take one bowl and then just make sure the egg is very fresh like this. Then you put it in here. Okay. So you will have to do it like till 4, then you beat again. Right. I know it's a bit tedious and long time, but it's a better way. All right. Okay. So just put it back. And then beat it in medium. Or put it another egg. everyone. Everything is incorporated now between eggs, butter, and sugar. So we're gonna put the mashed banana that we did before in here. This cake's gonna be a little bit buttery because we put quite amount of butter, but it will be really nice. Right, and then we beat again. In a medium until everything incorporated again. The dry ingredient, all-purpose flour. We're gonna put baking powder in here, and baking soda, and salt. So for that, we're gonna mix it together. Okay, and then we're gonna put it inside this dough. Hang on, I need a bigger table. Oh. Right, okay, so just put the half first. And then we beat it really slow. And then we put the buttermilk. Do it again. Everything more. This small. So this is the result. You don't mix it too long. Maybe about 1 minute in the electric mixer, and then you just take it out and do the folding like this, and not too long as well. So when you see everything incorporated, that's fantastic. So just put it aside a bit, and then this is what you're gonna do. Put this apple, sugar, and this cinnamon. Okay, now we're gonna put this dough in this pan.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so we have to wait until really cold, so then we can put the icing. But this is I'm gonna make the icing from powdered sugar and lime juice or lemon juice. But if you want to change it with just milk, that's okay, right? So here's the tricky one, right? I mean, when you put inside the liquid, you don't have to put everything in at once, because then it's gonna be really runny, or the consistency is not really right. So you have to do it like each spoon. Maybe I just start with 2 spoons. this is not enough, you put again. One spoon. This is a bit tricky in here. You have to be careful. Put so much liquid, otherwise it's too runny, and then you have to put another all the sugar, you know. But this is not enough, you put again. Alright, then this consistency I think is fantastic. Like this. It's good. So it's not too runny, it's not too thick. So what you're gonna do, you put in this plastic like this. You see? Right. Okay, then put it inside it. Okay.
It sound right, boy.
Right, this is right. The cake is done and it's turned out really beautifully. You know, did I show you from the really close? Here, I did show you, didn't I? All right. Okay. So let's start eating. Oh my God, gorgeous! Absolutely fantastic. Hola!
Boom, boom, boom.
Pakai maju lagi, Mam.
Terima kasih Khadijah kuenya.
It looks nice.
Looks nice ya, seneng deh.
Surprise gitu loh.
Happy birthday Kanjeng Mami. Birthday!
Thank you.
Hi guys, birthday!
Hola, boom,
Hola, boom boom boom. Mwah.
Sama ini.